Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn some fun Chinese vocabulary all related to the character, ya, which means tooth, or anything related to teeth. The word, ya, is the base character for all these useful words. Let's take a closer look at them one by one.
牙刷，牙刷，
which means toothbrush. You use this to keep your teeth clean. Watch example.
我用牙刷清洁牙齿。我用牙刷清洁牙齿。
I use toothbrush to clean my teeth.
我
I
用
use, I use.
牙刷，牙刷，
Toothbrush, I use toothbrush.
清洁，清洁，
Mean, to clean, I use toothbrush to clean.
牙齿，牙齿，
Mean, teeth, I use toothbrush to clean my teeth.
我用牙刷清洁牙齿。
I use toothbrush to clean my teeth.
牙膏，牙膏，
Toothpaste. This works together with your toothbrush. We can say the same example. Like I use toothpaste to clean my teeth.
我用牙膏清洁牙齿。我用牙膏清洁牙齿。我
I
用
use, I use.
牙膏
Toothpaste.
清洁
Mean, to clean.
牙齿。
Mean, teeth.
我用牙膏清洁牙齿。
I use toothpaste to clean my teeth.
牙齿，牙齿，
which is the formal word for teeth. Here we can use the same example again.
我用牙刷清洁牙齿。我用牙刷清洁牙齿。
I use toothbrush to clean my teeth. Let's move to our next character.
牙线，牙线，
Dental floss. It helps keep those hard to reach spots clean. We can use same example again by just adding our new character.
我用牙线清洁我的牙齿。我用牙线清洁我的牙齿。
I use dental floss to clean my teeth. Let's move to our next character.
牙签，牙签，
Toothpicks. They're handy for cleaning after meals. Putting the same example by adding our new character.
我用牙签清洁我的牙齿。我用牙签清洁我的牙齿。
I use toothpicks to clean my teeth. Let's move to our next character.
牙医，牙医，
Means, dentist, the person who takes care of your teeth. Watch example.
今天我去看牙医。今天我去看牙医。
Today I went to dentist.
今天
It's mean today.
我
Mean, I.
去
Mean, to go. Today I went.
看
Mean, to see.
牙医。
Mean, dentist. Today I went to dentist. Great job, everyone. Today we learned
牙刷、牙签、牙齿、牙线、牙签、牙医。
Keep practicing, and soon you'll master these words. Like and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next one.